So here is the left Z roller, and it will roll up and down conduit to lift the Z up and down. It's probably one of the more complicated parts here, but it goes together easily. Just like before, we want to start with the center. So slide your bearing in to the center. Try to line it up. Get the 1.5 inch bolt and slide through. Put a nut on the other side. And you got your first one in. Okay, I found that preloading the bearings helps. Turn the bolt up, drop the bearing on it. Turn the bolt up, drop the bearing on it. 2 more times. There we go. Okay, so here we go. You can pick this up as a unit, mount it, put a nut on to retain it. There we go. Pick that up as a unit, mount it, put a nut on. And we'll just keep doing that. This one's a little bit short on space, but it's not a problem. Okay, by default, this is set up for a T8 lead screw. But there are adapters to make it 5/16 and 3/8, and when we mount this and put the lead screw in, we'll experiment with all 3 of those. Okay, so to get the back on, it mounts like this. To get that on, we have to take these nuts and put in these holes. Pretty painless. So we'll hold this in place, take one of the 1/2 inch screws. Go ahead and mount that. Those holes are a little big, and I found out you have to use your fingernail to hold it in place just a little. Again, you don't want to really tighten these until you get the 2 conduits in for the X slides. So there's 3. We'll turn it over. Put in 3 more. Get a 1/2 inch screw. Tighten it up. That one didn't spin. Luckily they're all, I reckon. I'm just using my thumbnail to hold those in place enough to tighten them. As I get closer to actually assembling this and putting the 2 conduits for the X-axis in, I'll have to probably stick a flathead screwdriver in there. So there is a completed part. We have all the bearings mounted. We have all the screws in. The way this works is take a piece of conduit, slide in there, and then this will slide back and forth. It's a pretty ingenious design. So one more part done. And while this might look like the right, it's the left. And remember, all the directions are given from the back of the printer, not the front. So there we go. It's that easy. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.